Hey everyone, welcome to Food Lancer. Today we are making super fluffy melt in the mouth cloud bread. Making this cake was an oddly satisfying experience. The result was an extremely spongy cake that ends up looking like a cloud. All that is needed to make this cloud bread is some sugar, cornstarch and eggs. First thing I'm going to do is separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. I've not used any tools to separate the yolk. I gently crack the egg halfway, allowing air to enter from one side and letting gravity take care of the rest. The egg white will just slip out. We don't need the egg yolk for this recipe, but don't throw it away. You can eat it or feed it to your pet. I'm going to go ahead and put the egg white in a bigger mixing bowl and beat them up at a low speed setting until the bubbles start to rise. Once I see it start to form up a little bit, I'm going to add 30 grams of sugar. Now I beat the mixture at a medium-low speed setting till small stiff peaks start to form. This is a good time to put in some food coloring and 15 grams of cornstarch. Go ahead and put in any color of your choice. I went with blue to match the color of the sky. Beat the mixture for another 20 to 30 seconds on the low speed setting till the food coloring and the cornstarch come together. The egg white is already stiff, so don't beat it too much as it could separate. Now I take the egg white mixture and plop this onto the baking tray lined with baking paper. Once I have all the mixture on the baking sheet, I'm going to start to shape it using a spatula so that it has a beautiful smooth and round top. Don't take too long, otherwise you'll lose the firm texture. I'm going to pop this in the oven now and leave it in for about 20 to 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. This is literally where the climax is. All the hard work the hand mixer did pays off. The way it rises is just satisfying. This literally comes out as a little pillow of fluffiness. Once this is out of the oven, it deflates quickly, so try and transfer this onto a plate as soon as possible. I am happy as it has definitely kept its shape. It looks cute, has a spongy texture, and looks like a fluffy cloud in a blue sky. It tastes like an eggy cotton candy at first, but the egginess subsides after a couple of minutes. I also think there's so much more you can do with this bread in terms of color and flavor. So let me know in the comments if you want to see more variations of this recipe. Do give it a try and I will see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.